Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about owls. Owls are really important. They eat things that we see as vermin. Rats, mice, and even snakes. Owls are awake at night. We say they're called nocturnal. Look at this owl. He's made of paper plates with some cardboard. We've cut out his little feet, his beak, and his eyes. But today, you're going to make a flying owl. Owls are fantastic when they fly. You can't hear them. They're so quiet. We need to look after our owls. They're really important. So to make your owl, you need paper plates, you need scraps of paper, stapler, some glue, pair of scissors, felt tip pen. If you're going to paint, you would need paint brushes, and then you would need templates for the eyes. Have a look at our eyes over here. We've got a big circle and then inner circles. So I looked for lids that were different sizes. Here's a container that I'm going to use as my big eye. Then I've got a smaller lid inside of that for the next circle, and then a smaller lid on top of that. Take your piece of paper and trace each of your circles. Here you can see the examples. I've got a big circle for the big part of the eye. I then put on the next layer, which is the inner, and then the smaller one that I've cut out. I then want a little black piece. You could cut another circle and cut it in half, or you could just cut a little shape and stick it at the bottom. There you've got your eye of all the different layers. Now let's have a look at the body. For your body, you need to take one paper plate and cut out the top. So have a look at this little plate over here. I've taken the plate and I've cut just the edges off and around like that. It makes the top of the head of your owl. Then you're going to paint or color this in. Now we need to think about the body of the owl. Take a plate, mark a line down the middle to have two pieces. The two pieces are for your two wings. I've just taken a paper plate and cut it in half to make the two wings. Now let's start putting our owl together. You're going to take your head, take your eye, and glue it onto the head like that. You then need to cut a little beak. Take any scrap of paper. You need a little rectangle. Whoops, let's cut another one. And fold it in half. Your beak is a lovely triangle. So we're going to keep it in half, put the fold at the top, and cut it down. Now we've got our beak. Take that and glue it onto your little head. When you've put all the pieces onto your head, like this, your two eyes and your beak, you now need to staple on your wings. Staples work best. The glue isn't strong enough often to hold the wings on, so let's do that for our little wings. We're going to take our head and we're going to put our wings in place. Hold them down. Be careful of your fingers. Now, make sure that the curve is at the top so that it sees the curve of the wing. So we're going to hold them on and staple them. One or two staples, you can decide, and then do the other one. You've now got your owl all finished, flying into the night. Hope you have fun making your owls. See you next time.